welcome back to part 2 of Squishy Makeover. Let's go where we left off. It's getting to the hard part where you don't want to get paint on yourself. Because I don't want to get paint on myself, or at least on my hands, because I'll have poop stains on my hands. I'm just kidding. Mom, can I get my hands dirty? Huh?
It'll wash.
Are you sure? It's acrylic paint.
I think it does.
I got it on my nail. I don't care. I'll repaint the top. So hot in here. Just paint the whole thing. Ooh. Get another paintbrush. Your oldest one, and crusty. I'm just kidding. Okay, you can make your donut like any flavor, but I just felt like I wanted to do chocolate. Chocolate isn't my favorite, but I didn't have any white primer. So, brown primer it is. Okay, now you're going to put the paintbrush in there. And then get one of your tiniest paintbrushes. Jeez. If it's crusty, just uncrustify it. Mother,
Yeah.
could you, get some more paint on my paint palette?
The brown?
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
Maybe put the pet store over that way on the corner.
Do you have to go to the pet store now?
I feel like they're done this year.
Just paint in all of the white spots from your foam. This is your thinnest. This is my thinnest. Have another one. Oh yes, that's thin. Mom, could you unthinify this?
Say what?
Could you unthinify it? Or thickify or like crustify it? You just need to fill in all of the little spots.
That's a good idea. With just paper towel.
I just got the crustiest. This isn't gonna be the best thing in the world. It's because it's my first time. If you think mine is looking good, give me a like and subscribe. I have paint everywhere. There we go. Okay. Let's put that in there. Mother,
Yes.
could you put my hair in a pony? Nice and chocolatey. And I need something to dry this. I need something to dry this.
Ooh, you're sweaty.
I know.
Thanks, buddy.
That should be good. Ow.
Sorry.
There you go. Mm. There you go. I have some red frosting. You. Just stop. Don't be watery. Okay. Let's do this brush. But it's red. I remember this brush. He's my friend. This is gonna be the weirdest thing in the world. I need more red. I need a bigger brush. Multitasking. I need this brush. What is that? Fluff. Fluff. Ooh, that's smooth. This is gonna not be pretty. I thought I had pink. raspberry chocolate. Okay? So if it doesn't look pretty, it's raspberry chocolate. Ooh, that looks pretty. Mom, do you think it looks pretty so much? So far? It's good.
Yeah.
Does it look like a real donut?
Mhm.
It's a chocolate donut. This is my first time. Get butlered. Of paint and just delishify it. I'm weird. Comment down below if I'm weird. Donuts aren't perfect. Just like people aren't perfect. So if my donut isn't perfect and your donut is perfect, donuts are different. Right? Donuts are different. So I'm gonna add a little bit of brown, just a little tad. So it makes it look like that dark cherry red. And just like, kind of just like dab it in. Ooh, this is cherry. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. And just like kind of fix it. I don't care that I have paint all over my hands. So I'm kind of fixing it. No paint, no paint. I'm just kind of fixing the edges and making it look like a real donut. So I'm making it look a little messy and a little perfect at the same time. So just focus on that while I'm focusing on that. I love this. And just love your donut. Make it your child. Like try. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys in part 3.